Hi, my name is Laura, and I'm going to show you how to make homemade recipe cards. So there are many different things that you can do to make recipe cards, but something really simple and easy to do that makes something that looks really good is to have take an index card and back it with a paper with a pattern that you like. So what you'll need for this is index cards, paper, glue, either scissors or an X-Acto knife, and something to cut on, and a pencil, and of course, your favorite recipes. So I'm going to flip my paper over and start in the corner. I'm going to line up my index card with the paper and then trace it with my pencil. And then I'm going to cut it out. So when you're done cutting it out, you'll take your glue and put a thin coat around the edges of the paper that you've just cut out. And then lay your index card on top. Press it down. And it's going to slide around a little. This is where you have like a moment to adjust how your card and your paper fit together. And try to like run your fingers along it to push the glue toward the edges so that it seals the papers together. All right, and then you let it set for a little bit. And you can do that with as many cards as you like. The thicker the card, the index card is, the better this will flatten and stay. Another thing that you can do if you have a little bit of buckling happening is you can take a really heavy book and put it on top of this while it's drying so it'll stay flat. Or you can iron it afterward, but that's a lot of work. Books work best. And then once they're dry, you can write your favorite recipes on it and put them in a box or give them to your friends. I'm Laura, that's how you make homemade recipe cards. Thank you for watching.